In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON file into Elementor. So in order to import a JSON file, you first need to head over and have Elementor installed on your website. For the hosting, we will use WordPress to host it. So just head over and log in to your WordPress account or click on this Get Started if you do not have an account there yet. In order to install a plugin like Elementor, you need to have a business plan available for you, so make sure to get this particular plan. Now I have in here Elementor installed into my WordPress site. This is what it looks like from there. In order to import the JSON file, what you can do is you can just access the WordPress dashboard, which is this one, and then navigate to the templates right here. So scroll down until you can find templates, and in here go over to save templates. Now into this part, we just need to initiate an import. So in order to do this, what you can do is you can click onto this import templates right here. As you can see, it's available on the actual Elementor website. So click on this import templates. It's a JSON file or a zip archive. So onto this case, just head over and click onto this choose file right here, and then upload in here the file that we have for that particular thing. And then from in there, you can actually utilize this import now option right here in order to import the particular JSON file. Now, if you want to insert it in the page, just open the page wherein you want to insert it or you want to use this particular template into, and then just head over and then add the actual Elementor editor and then navigate to the templates tab in order to locate the newly imported template and then insert it into your actual website through that way. So all of the imported templates will also be able to be added onto the side templates that we can see right here into your screen. So that's how you import JSON file into Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.